Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to review about one website tool, and it is an important tool, I think, for designers, for UI UX designers, and I think for all IT person. Whose work is related to IT and tech. And this tool especially is for creating 3D designs. Yeah, so the web called Spline. This is the web. I've opened it and I'm going to create an account. First I'm going to show you what's inside the Spline. So actually Spline is a tool, and it is like web-based tool to make 3D designs. Yeah, you can create the designs and you can animate the designs and you can also share it. Yeah, so if you're a developer, for instance, yeah, if you're a programmer and you want to add 3D animation, you can also use Spline. And also if you're a designer, you can also use Spline to make 3D designs. Yeah, so I'm making my account first. Yeah. So I think this app is really interesting because there's no need for software installation, and it has many options. And just look at the first landing page. It looks like it looks like Figma. Yeah, so it's kind of familiar for designers. Yeah, especially for designers that been using any designs tools, yeah, like Figma, because the interface is really similar to Figma, so it's like user friendly, as I say. So I'm going to make it the first design. Yeah, I'm going to just click 3D design here. Yeah, so then we have here, there's a short tutorial about making.
Let's get started with a quick tour of Spline.
The designs, yeah, 3D designs in Spline, and I think this interface is kind of interesting, and I think this is very useful. Yeah, especially for beginners who don't know how to use the Spline for basic. Yeah, not just like another app that have complicated tools and hard to use. Yeah, so it is kind of nice to have this tutorial in the first. Yeah, so you can just follow the tutorial first and then you also create by your own. Yeah, you don't need a teacher or anything. Yeah, I think this is very easy to use here. So there are so many tutorial like this also. Yeah, they gave us tutorials. No, like that. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use this. So first, I'm having this explained, so I'm going to just delete this just by clicking on backspace. Yeah, it's kind of easy and not complicated. And first I'm just going to show you how easy this is. So I'm going to add cube, and yep, just like that. Then let's see, we can easily move it like this because it have this kind of tools, and you don't have to click on complicated keys on your keyboard to make it move. Yeah, I just you can simply just drag here to move the object. Yeah, and you can also rotating the object like this just by clicking this. Yeah, it's so simple, and I really also like this. And you can also scale it like this, and if you want to scale it up, then you just move the cursor up here. Make sure it's the circle here, the circle. Yeah, like that. And it's very simple, and I really like this. So yep, and but it's not as complicated as Blender, for example, and any other tools, maybe like AutoCAD or Blender. But yeah, it's very beginner friendly, and just look at the interface. It looks like Figma. Yeah, so I think this Spline web is very UI UX designers friendly, especially for Figma user. Yeah, the interface is really simple and looks like Figma. Yeah, so Figma friendly. Yeah, it looks like Figma, but it is for 3D designs. Yeah, so I really recommend this if you want to make 3D designs. Just go to Spline because it's like beginner friendly too. You can see, so there are tutorials, then the details here are so, I mean, very clear. Yeah. So you can adjust the corner, for example, like that. Yeah, so it's very simple. I mean, yeah, when you want to go settings about this cube, you can just find here, and you can change the color to blue, for example, and just like that. And there's no delays like on any other apps, like too much delays, and then like, yeah, too much delays. And it is also free application. So yeah, if you like to try, then you can just go to Spline. You just search on Google, just click on type Spline, then you go make your account, and then just see the tutorial first. Yeah, because the tutorial is very important for the first timers, and the tutorial is also very clear. Yeah, I guarantee it's very clear to follow. Yeah, okay, so here you can make many things, and I'll show you too. There's like templates too here you can find for objects. If you don't want to make it on your own, then you can also choose template. Okay, so much. Look, there's a building. You can just click on that, and down here is the building here. I'm going to just delete this just by pressing backspace. Then you can just move this here, and then find another. Example, this one. Move it there, and then rotating it. Yeah, like that. And it's very fun. And you can also share or export the design. Yeah, for example, you want to make it like web design, you can just simply click on export, and then you just copy the link here, copy embed link. Yeah, I like this very much, because if you copy embed, and then, or maybe you can just update public URL, then maybe copy link, and then, for example, we share the link to your friend, and if you want to showcase it to your friends about your designs, and your friends can see your design like this. And yeah, that's something that Blender don't have actually. Yeah, and actually Spline has very simple instruction and yeah settings here that are very clear and simple and no much hassle. Yeah, so yeah, I think I recommend Spline for designers, and then for developers or for programmers it is very good app. Okay, I think that's all the end of my review video for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye guys, see you in the next video.